Facts. Yeah, what's up?
Nah, your room is smoking.
Absolutely not. Absolutely.
Wait. Let me go to where. Okay. The fact that he lit, no.
This is not the one, bro.
The fact that
Don't you just
Davis did that shit, yes. The fact that he lit all that shit is fucking insane. That's fucking crazy. Oh my. And then Davis could have just let it be at that.
Oh, fuck.
It's like, look, now look.
It's even now. Do you want to keep going? I do. Yay or nay? Go! Bro, it's gonna be all night. All night, baby. No. Bro, y'all niggas tweaking.
Yo.
That's another one. Baby. No.
Yo, Chris just like, yo, bro. Chris don't do shit. He be minding his business. I love Chris, bro. Chris is funny.
We're good. Is this fire?
All right, bro. Davis, you could have just left it at what happened yesterday. It is now the 5th. I am watching this on the 6th. Why is this happening? I missed Agent Stream because I was knocked last night. Why? I don't know.
Niggas are wilding, bro.
I didn't see all this.
God damn it, man.
Davis,
Blame Davis. I don't to be dead honest with you, blame Davis.
Where's my lighter? I don't give a fuck about none of that, bro.
This house is going wrong. There's definitely a fire now. Oh my God. What didn't work, Kaylee?
Alright, bro, chill now. Good.
I'm telling you, the reason why I'm pissed is because shit was not like this before shit got on the internet, bro.
Oh, damn, the music. Damn.
If you really want to do it, that's it all free, man. You would have done that all free. You would have done all free, bro.
Oh, yeah, he's hot.
And then when I saw the wild, I look like the bad guy, bro. All right.
This shit.
All right. What if my mother, you was good the whole day, bro?
It is that, like I said, it's Davis' fault.
You was. The internet, right? On your dick, right? The internet on your dick, bro. That's why, bro. I don't like that, bro. I don't like that, bro. I'm finished, though. Look. If you really had a problem with, bro, Davis, what am I dead? If you really had a problem with your room, you could have came to me and been like, yo, bro, I really got nowhere to stay. I would have, you know what, bro? I would have heard you out and see what you did. I probably wouldn't even help you even find somewhere else to just be at for momentarily. Yeah, you would have came to me.
Dude, like they was literally in a therapy session. Then this nigga Davis talking about some, oh fine, now I feel like a man again. Kai literally crashed out on the 4th. That's the 5th. We know who won. That's all I'm saying. Davis was being extra, talking about some, oh, now I got therapy, this and the other, yada yada yada. Bro, literally, you could have just let that shit be. Davis he had no fire. He literally wasted all his shit on Agent. He probably got like them three little boom, them shits, and that ain't gonna do nothing versus what Kai got. Kai got bombs. He still has bombs. I guarantee you, walk into his room right now, it's still stacking this high. He kept stealing from people. I don't know, bro. I swear to God that nobody peeped the shit that I saw yesterday, because I see nobody talk about it. Kai literally stole one of Davis' shits and threw them off the balcony. I swear to God, I'm the only person that peeped that shit. Like he threw it like not just off the. You saw that? Okay, I knew I wasn't the only one that said. I was like, yeah, it's over. I seen that. I'm glad I'm not the only person that seen that shit.